Yeah, hello everybody. Today we're cutting some sculptured wall panels. Let's see. This one just started. Takes a good amount of time per panel, starting with the sheet like that. And this is somewhat of the end result. Pretty cool, huh? Those panels are designed to have a repeat pattern. And they are being made for a nail salon in Greensboro, North Carolina. And they do look pretty awesome. Alright, 2 more to go and done.